Here we have a 1/27 scale Chevy Silverado. I'm guessing probably 2015 or something. Doesn't have a year on it. It's probably about right. We're looking at the headlights and everything on it. 2016, somewhere in that area. This is again 1/27 scale from MotorMax. Customer sent it to me, wanting some items or some things done to it, and they got done. He's converting it into a Michigan Conservation Police. I don't know what they call it, Department of Fish and Wildlife up there, but anyway, Conservation Police is what he has written here. So he has the decals and everything for it. He asked me to black out the side and rear windows, which I did. Lights. Those are blacked out. Some people have asked me before how to do that, window tint or whatever. I'm not going to use window tint. There's too many flaws in this plastic stuff they use for windows. You put window tint on there, it just shows up the scratches even more. The best way to do it, and blacks it out completely, is the problem, is just take flat black paint and paint the inside of the window. So it gives it a nice shiny look. And like I said, you may have to do 2 coats on it, but it completely blacks it out. No light transmission there, which is like the reason on the back. You'll see where I've done that to those. A little bit of the light's catching on the blue side. For some reason, those blue LEDs reflect more than the red ones. But once you do that, and then paint the whole window, and then you have an area where you have the lights, and then put electrical tape over the back sides of those, and to prevent any light from coming from the back of the LED forward. So it kind of blacks them out almost completely. You just about have to get it at the right angle to be able to see the LEDs in there. Just normal passing, you probably wouldn't even notice them. Anyway, I added a push bumper to this one for him too as well. So anyway, flashing headlights, strobe tail lights, and then a red and blue visor setup. He said like an inner edge type setup anyway. Red and blue triple strobe deal there. Also has a siren installed. Now, since he wanted the windows blacked out, I went ahead and just did a cutout in the bottom and added the battery, so the battery actually goes up into the back seat. And I've got a little divider, a custom little divider tray in there with equipment on it, so it won't let the battery go all the way up into the cab. So it kind of holds it in place. Enough chatter, let's light it up. Main power switch here, and siren switch right there. And you notice I did put a little bit of foam in there too to help hold that battery in, so it's not going to just fall out every time you lift the truck up. So you have your flashing headlights. And again, you see your red and blue visor in the front, triple strobe wig wag. Same in the rear window. And as I mentioned, strobe tail lights. They're going to kind of look weird because this camera picks them up. That one looks like it's stopping. This one may do it here in a second. Anyway, it kind of picks up the lighting weird on the strobe, red strobe LEDs. I don't know why it does that on these. It doesn't do it that badly on the circuit board controlled LED. But if it's just a random quick flash strobe, it just quits picking it up every now and then. I have no idea why. Siren, same siren. No reason even really to go over it, but just so you hear that it's in there. So it does have it. So there you have it. I'll send some antennas and stuff with it too, because they're going to get knocked off. I suppose you're going to do your trick to the top where the light bar was at on this. So I'm assuming you're going to black vinyl it. But anyway, there you have it. I'll get it in the mail to you as soon as possible. Probably tomorrow. Thank you very much.